What's up guys, today I'm going to be teaching you a super easy magic trick that you can do with a normal pack of cards. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so here is how the trick will look. Basically you're going to tell someone to just pick out any random card whatsoever. Let's just say they picked out the 10 of spades, which is this card here. Then you tell them, take the card, put it anywhere they want back into the pack. They can do this themselves, you're not putting it in any specific spot. It's in the middle of the pack just like that. And now I take the cards and place them behind my back for just a second, and I found exactly where their card is. Now watch the pack. As you'll see, they're all face up except for just one card there, and that card is the 10 of spades, their chosen card. Alright guys, let's get right into the tutorial. I want you guys to learn this right now and be able to perform it in minutes. Alright guys, so this is a super easy trick. This is one of the first card tricks that I ever learned, but it really is a pretty good effect and it will fool a lot of people. So here's what you do. You do have a completely normal pack of cards. You can borrow it from someone else. They're not special cards in any way. And basically what you do is you just have them select out any card they want. Let's say the King of Diamonds. Now while they are looking at the card, you're going to take the pack, and you can either just do this on like your leg or something, or you could do it behind your back. You could do it, just don't make it too obvious that you're doing this. But all you're going to do is flip the pack over so you have the face up side facing you, and you're just going to flip over one card just like that. And now this looks like it's the top of the pack, but really it's the bottom, and every other card is face up except for just this one. So you could tell them, look, take the card, place it wherever you want into the middle. They can do it themselves. It doesn't matter where it goes because only one card is face down. The rest are all face up in the pack. But don't show them, of course, that all the cards are face up. They place the card in, and then when you take the cards and put them behind your back, all you're doing is taking this one card that is face down and you're flipping it back up. And now they'll never know that the cards were face up the whole time. You can show the cards, you could show all the faces just like this, and then you'll get to one card that is face down and it is their chosen card. So if you guys want to learn more magic like this one, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I will be posting more tutorials and a bunch of more fun magic content for you guys on this YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.